The next 30 minutes is the Sounds of Africa radio show with D Brown. He can be heard here every Sunday at 3 p.m. And now, the Sounds of Africa.
Every day, AM 970, WRCS, a Husky.
Things and times change. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, my call upon the Father for help on your night. Guide I along these streets today. Guide all the youths them along the way. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, the lions are call upon I and I. Guide over I and I while I trod. El Shaddai. Believe. Yeah. Jah, please protect Jamaica and the rest of the world. Jah, upon your telephone, tell him what you need. Tell him what you need. Tell him what you need. Jah, upon the telephone, tell him what you need. Tell him what you need, right? Say by the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we wait, when we remember Zion. Cause the wicked carry us away, captivity required from us a song. How can we sing Rastafari song in a strange land? Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the murderers and the rapists them burn out.
Yeah, what a guan video. This is D Brown, and you know this is Sounds of Africa radio show on WRCS 970 AM a Husky. And I know it's always your favorite program on your favorite station. Now, this is Reggae Sunday, and we're up and bringing you the Gospel Ital Dubs. You know what I'm saying? And I know you like it because I'm here to keep you busy. I'm here to keep it lovely, and I want you to keep it locked because we are about to turn it up. So, Reggae Sunday, what is it about? Reggae Sunday is the Sunday where we get to play reggae music, bringing you the reggae vibes. You know what me say? Yeah, man, that's what we talk about. Boom! Reggae music, reggae sounds, reggae dub, ital dub, and we're doing it right here. D Brown, stay locked as we bring you another one. Right before that, this is it. So the first song was from Busy Signal, and that is the signal we're bringing to you right now because it's about the gospel, and it's about us praying. It's about us, we live in a trying time, and this trying time, we have to keep praying. Come on, keep it locked as we bring you the next song. What a one, boom!
For your best in gospel reggae jams, tune in each Sunday to this station for Reggae Sunday.
Don't give up, yeah. Just ride out your storm. Hey, you've been in the storm, and it seems like forever, and your nights of confusion has been so long. Your ship has lost anchor, and the storm got you drifting. Just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm. Love. promise. He said, I never forsake you. Though the waters are troubled, where do you go? Don't give up the battle. Just to ride out your storm. Ride out your storm. God is still with you. You may not feel it, but you're not alone. Your morning is coming, Lord of mercy. Just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm. Ride out your storm. God is still with you. You may but you're not alone. You're hurting now, but your morning is coming. Lord of mercy, just hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm.
Yeah, what a one. So I know you're enjoying the show. You know what me see? That's what me talk about. You're enjoying the show, and I am here to make you enjoy the mode. This is Reggae Sunday, and we're bringing it to you from WRCS 970 AM Husky. So yeah, right, on that particular song is Judge Nooks on Ride Out Your Storm. And you know what I'm saying? Whenever you feel like you're down, whenever it's like you've lost your anchor, whenever it is like you can't see the end of the road, what you need to do is you have to keep moving. You have to keep going, because God is right there. He said in his word, when ye go through the waters, I will be with you. When ye go through the fire, I will be with you. That means he's never leaving us. So don't be afraid. Don't you fret. Just know that God is with you, and he's with you all the way. So we will be bringing you another song, and this song is by Chronixx, Mosthigh. You know, you have to keep away all other gods, because all other gods are the works of men, and the Mosthigh is the only God you need. Come on, take it to Mosthigh by Chronixx.
Let's go. I carry you, Jaja, deep down in my soul. Always hold my hand in a Jaja, never let me go. I walk with you, Jaja, deep down in my soul. Always hold my hand in a Jaja, never let me go. I still walk with the Savior, each and everywhere that I go. Still not left out the Mosthigh. I not left out the Mosthigh. I still a walk with the Savior, each and everywhere that I go. Still not left King Tafari. I not left out the Mosthigh. Yeah. Here's my hand, Oja. Could you walk with me? Yeah. I'm alone, Oja. Yeah. Could you talk with me? Oh yes. You are the reason me not in the market. And you give me peace now me heart. All when me get rich and have 3 bodyguard and some big bad dog in me heart. I still a walk with the Savior, each and everywhere that I go. Still not left out the Mosthigh. I not left out the Mosthigh. I still a walk with the Savior, each and everywhere carry Jaja with me, Jaja with me. All in the classroom, carry Jaja with me. Oh, you mean? In every lane and every crevice and corner. Still I see her, yes, him a fi me dan dada. From me a little bit a pitney one order. So all when me turn grandfather, and I still a walk with the Savior. Each and every way that I go, and still not left out the Mosthigh. I not left out the Mosthigh. I still a walk with the Savior. Each and every way that I go, still not left him Tafari. I not left out the Mosthigh. So I better walk with me, and talk with me. Cause no matter how much I walk without Jah, your son no rotted. So walk with me, yeah, and talk with me, yeah. Don't watch them nuclear power, no. Down to the very last hour, I and I still a walk with the Savior. Each and every way that I go, still now for the Mosthigh, no left out. I and I still a walk with the Savior. Each and every way, now left out the Mosthigh, now left King Tafari. Excellencies, and as I trample the bass, yeah. I still a walk with the same.
When I left King Tafari, and this is what we're talking about, because this is Sound of Africa, and we are bringing you the best of reggae music on a Reggae Sunday afternoon, and it is amazing with D Brown. I know you're having a good time, because I'm having a good time right here. It's a Reggae Sunday, and we boom, boom, boom. Yeah, man. So let's take it to the next song by Buchi. Yeah, I'm talking about Mma Mma, a reggae gospel music artist of a long time. You know what I'm saying? Of a long time, of a Nigerian origin. Yeah, man. Let's take it down. Boom.
The gospel is not for Sunday morning alone. Each and every day that the Lord has made, we have to give thanks and praise to the Lord. Almighty Father, Papa never tire. Holy Papa blessing him, Lord, and I give I picking and $20. Hey, Papa never tire, make me give him the praise. What to say? I thought about the good things He has done for me. I thought about my lovely children. I thought about my pretty wife. All I could think of to say was, thank you, Jesus. I'm saying, and I was singing, Lord, I'm saying, when we get to heaven, I know I'll see Jesus. Paul and Silas and Abraham, the whole of them will be there. Many questions I want to ask, many things I want to say. But first of all, I will go to him and say, thank you, Jesus. I'm saying, my Lord, I'm saying, Lord, I'm saying, oh, yeah. question, give me the answer. I have a question, please give me the answer. I have a question, give me the answer. Tell me the one who make you fat and nice. Tell me the one who make you fresh and young. Tell me the one who make you prosperous. Ready, ready, and gun me gun. Come on everybody, make you give him the praise. Lord, I'm saying, I'm singing, every time.
So give thanks and praises to the Almighty all the days of my life, because the gospel is not for Sunday morning alone. So you have to always sing to God every single day. Yeah, this is T Brown bringing it to you live. And you know, that was Mma Mma by Buchi. Buchi is a Nigerian gospel reggae minister. He is one that has really revolutionized gospel reggae music in Nigeria. There are other ones that I'm still going to play, but that guy is the bomb. You know, when that song came out, you know, that year, it was an amazing tune that every single church was singing it. And if you see him on stage, it's like this guy that when he rocks, you can't sit down. Okay, let's take it to the next song. I'm talking about Bless the Lord, oh my soul. I know you know it the other way around, but let's put in a reggae form by Joshua Kestler. Take it to Bless the Lord, oh my soul.
Worship His holy name. Sing like, bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship His holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time on again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise unending. 10,000 years and still forevermore. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh yes, oh my soul. I'm gonna worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, worship His holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh yes, oh my soul. I'm gonna worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, worship His holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul, worship His holy name. Sing like never before.
So, tell me, how do you feel about bless the Lord, oh my soul, the blues way, and bless the Lord, oh my soul, the ragga way? I tell you what, I always go for the ragga. Just because this is Reggae Sunday and we're doing it here with D Brown on Sounds of Africa. That's what I'm talking about. So, that was Bless the Lord, oh my soul by Joshua Kestler. And I felt so good and I'm feeling so good and I know you're feeling so good, so let's feel so good together. All right, so let's take it to the next song, and the next song is by Mbomboyo. Mbomboyo is a Nigerian gospel reggae music minister and he's bringing to you Put Your Hand in the Air. Now let me tell you something. This is a cover of Lieutenant Stitchy, Jehovah, you know, Jehovah, put your hands in the air, open your mouth and hear me shout out, Jehovah. Now, this is it the Nigerian way, and with some Nigerian lyrical vibes upon it. So let's do it. Take it to Mbomboyo and lift your hands up, Jehovah, on WRSC. This is Sounds of Africa. Boom!
To Jehovah the Most High, the revealed one. Lieutenant Stitchy, respect, Mbomboyo. Put your hands in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah. Bend over Kenyang Siompo Idara no Jehovah. Put your hands up in the air, open up your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah. Bend over Kenyang Siompo Idara no Jehovah. Jehovah, 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 forever and ever. Kensinsi, Kensinsi, Amen. Amen. Jehovah Nissi na my banner, Jehovah Jireh my provider, Rapha na my healer, Kolan Rabbi, Him be my teacher, always present. Jehovah Shammah make a fish, me sanctifier. Jehovah Shalom na my peace, He make me trample the beast. Hands in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah. Bend over Kenyang Siompo Idara no Jehovah. Jehovah, 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 forever and ever. Kensinsi, Kensinsi, Amen. Amen. Elohim, 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 El Shaddai. Jehovah not the king from the ground to the sky. Jah Almighty, He take a man like multiply. Nobody can cut my supply. Jehovah said, can know the love of righteousness be true. In love all of you. Jehovah who said no, love and the maker of me and you. Him said the only stand of the journey was to save me and you. So put your hands in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah. Bend over Kenyang Siompo Idara no Jehovah. Jehovah, 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 forever and ever. Kensinsi, Kensinsi, Amen. Amen. Jehovah and the book me, Jehovah and the cock me, Jehovah and the wamp, Jehovah and the cat. Along point of my provider, who take on me my defender for the Jehovah Jireh. The Nana Kempo, I'm going to me so the Nana Kewa Wambit. Jehovah Mudima for the Nama Panico. I am walking from the fucking Soke Paneto for the commander in chief. Moneco would the mayor. Melo Bakenons, young Bokidara, no Jehovah. Hands up in the air, open up your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah. Jehovah, 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 forever and ever. KCC, Amen. Amen. Jehovah, the one that become flesh, living in you and living in me. Jesus Christ, are you in the wrong? And he got me. Jehovah, 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 forever and ever. KCC, Amen. Amen. Aye, King Baseda, break it down. Rewind me now. Stick it nice and slow. Jehovah Nissi na my banner, Jehovah Jireh my provider. Rapper na my healer, I call him Rabbi, him be my teacher. Always present, Jehovah Shammah, Makadisha, me sanctifier. Shalom na my peace, him make me trample the beast. Elohim, Elohim, El Shaddai. Nobody can cut my supply. Jah Almighty, I give Satan a life multiply. Him send the only son to die on the cross to save you and I. For your name so the Nana Kewa Wambit. Jehovah Mudama fucking Soke Panekong. I put the commander in chief. Monekong with the mayor. Jehovah, 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 forever and ever. KCC, Amen. Amen.
Yeah, and I know you enjoyed that. Well, this is where we draw the curtain for the Reggae Sunday Jammix. Saying, I know you're really having fun because I was really having fun until I checked the time and I saw that we are about running out of time. But we're running out of time because we're leaving you. We're still here. Check us here again next Sunday, same time, same station, same place, and we're going to bring you another version of Sounds of Africa. You know what I'm saying? And I was keeping locked to WRCS 970 AM Husky, your favorite station. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you can reach me on Facebook on D Brown Namno Brown, and you can tweet me on Twitter on D Brown 9, and then you can reach me on Instagram on D Brown Brown. That's what me say. This is me signing out. What a work.